Welcome back to Volkswagen Lady Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this coolant housing on a 2012 Chevy Cruze 1.4 turbo. So it is a little bit harder, so I'm going to dive into it. Per suggestion, I got an aluminum one. I went on ahead and took that one off, but you can see where it started getting like coolant started coming out of that, and it started leaking and I was losing it. So I went on ahead and checked that out, but I'll show you how to do it. So first step, what you're going to want to do, you are going to actually want to drain your coolant as much as you can, because if you don't, and you pull off like the lower radiator hose, it will spew and pour everywhere. Like you can see all my paper towels on the floor. So next step, you're going to want to, there's some kind of O2 sensor, and turns out I was unplugging that wrong. There's like a little tab, you gently pull it up. So there's a pin per here. I pulled it out, and unfortunately it fell in the car somewhere. I don't know. I guess the car had a little snack. But so next step, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to unplug sensor that goes to this turbo intercharger hose. So you kind of push it up. You can take like a little pin and push it too to help you. So you disengage that. Next step, you loosen that clamp and take out your air intake hose here. So I did that. Now in the bottom, there's going to be some sort of, and I can show you better on this, there's a sensor. It's a temperature sensor. And it plugs into this. So you want to disengage that. Next, after you pulled out all your stuff, and this is just a lot easier for you to take all this off. I mean, you could do it without if you wanted to, but I don't suggest that. I tried and it ended miserably. Also, you want to pull this off too. This will go to the top of that. I'm sorry, I've been fighting off a sinus infection. But, so you've got 3 screws that go to the side that mount it to your engine mount. Oh, excuse me. You'll want to take those out too. Like I said, it's just so much easier. And I will go ahead and warn you about these clamps. I call them gator clamps. I call them eternity clamps, because they're not only a pain to get off, but if you don't watch, they'll snap up, and it's not fun. So yeah, so you can see I've got a nice little like flood of coolant going. So that's about all you do, and then just do it all in reverse. So let's get started. Yeah, that's about all you do. And then voila, you'll have your new part in. Thank you for watching.